In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this little pillow made using an alpine stitch. Let's get started. To make this pillow, you will need fine yarn. I use some cotton one that I had in my stash, 3.5 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and some stuffing. Start making a chain. So we will make a slip knot. And I will chain 12. This will be the size of my pillow. Chain 2 more, yarn over and insert your hook into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3 in this one. And just make a double crochet. Continue making 1 double crochet in every stitch until the end of this chain. This is my last double crochet here. And right now we'll work another 12 double crochet on the opposite part of this chain that we made. So yarn over and make a double crochet in the same stitch that you made double crochet a moment ago. Turn your work like this and continue making double crochet in all the stitches until the end of this chain again. So we made it here. Now double crochet here, so it will be our second double crochet on this side of the chain. 3, 4, 11, and the last one here, 12. Okay, we will finish this round making a slip stitch here in this first double crochet that we made in the beginning. Okay, so we have something like this. Chain 2, yarn over, and again we will work double crochet, but here in the first one, instead of making it here, we will make it here behind this post. Okay, yarn over, and the next double crochet we will make as normal, so here in this hole. Yarn over, and the next one we will make it again, inserting your hook here behind this double crochet. Next one again as normal, and continue like this until you have done all this all over. The last stitch of this round, stitch number 24, it will be a normal double crochet. Here we go. And right now we'll make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Here we go. So right now we can see that as we work all over, we will make both sides of the pillow in the same time. Chain 2, yarn over, and we will work exactly the same way, but instead of working our first double crochet from behind, we will work it as normal. So here, yarn over, and another one, we will work from behind. Again, this one we were working from behind in the previous round, and right now we will work as a normal double crochet. Again, this one in previous round we will work as normal, but right now we will work from behind. And continue like this to the end of this round. In this round, our last double crochet, we will work from behind. And slip stitch in the first double crochet. Chain 2, and again. As the first double crochet of previous round was working as normal, so this time we will work from behind. And the next one, as in the previous round, it was working from behind, so this time we will just work as normal. Continue working like this until the row number 8. I'm after row number 8. It looks quite squared. Now it's time to stuff it. If you see that these holes are too big and the stuffing is going out through them, you can just sew a little fabric pillow and insert it here inside into this crochet cover. Right now I will just close this hole, making some slip stitches. So insert your hook into this first stitch and another one in the opposite side, and just make a slip stitch, and again in the next stitch and in this one on the opposite side, and make a slip stitch, and continue like this until your pillow is closed. And the last one, here we go. I will chain 1 here, cut the yarn, and you even don't need a yarn needle. You can just hide this tail inside your cushion. Here you go. I hope you like this tutorial and see you next time.